Hello guys. We are going on a little staycation at the Rockaway Hotel in Queens. The brand Good Habit invited me, which is a skincare brand. I'll leave all their stuff down below. But Julie and I are going to a little overnight staycation at this really cute hotel. There's a pool, a beach, and we just got snacks at the Duane Reade, which are necessary, and we packed our little overnight bags, and we're gonna have a fun night. I don't know what is in store, but we're gonna get dinner once we're there. It's about an hour drive, so I figured I would vlog the whole staycation and the hotel room and the beach and everything like that. It's currently raining in the city, but it should be really nice and sunny tomorrow, which will be nice. So we're on our way. We have arrived at the Rockaway Hotel.
Cierra,
Yeah?
go to the pub.
Oh. Pretty. Okay. Wait, wow. So pretty. Thank you. I'm vlogging.
I love that. Do you have a YouTube
Cheers, I do.
Oh my gosh, what's it called?
It's Cierra Miller.
C.R. Miller.
C-I-E-R-R-A, Cierra.
We have beach chairs and roller bicycles.
Yay.
Head out. We'll hold your bags for the day.
Amazing. All right, guys, so we just got to the room. This is what it looks like when you walk in. The bathroom is actual goals. I love the shower. Cute floor. How cute. Walk out here. We have the bed. And Julia. And look at this. Good Habit gave us like a little thing. And also, my favorite part. Welcome, Cierra and Julia. And Julia. This is the view. Whoa. This is the view. You can actually see New York over there, but it's hard to see. But it might be clearing up, which is nice. We're gonna get dinner pretty soon. I also love that painting right there. And ooh, we got like a little wardrobe and robes, which is like my favorite part of the hotel. And yeah, ooh, little books. So I'm gonna open this, see what's in it. Catch flights, not feelings. Oh wait, look, we have a little itinerary.
I saw that. Wait.
Happy hour at 6. Oh, we missed that dinner. 7, time to get your 9 p.m. Take a chill pill. Do your nightly skincare routine and get some Z's. Cleanse. Oh, I'm assuming it's in here. So this is the product. Good Habit came out with this pollution protection serum against blue light, which I need. And let's see what this is. I don't want to ruin it. It's so pretty. Oh, it's all the skincare. Yay. I guess it's the rest of their line. We have a micellar gel. We have a Texture Magic exfoliating toner. Ooh, a Glow Potion oil serum. And a water jelly dew cream. This is so cute. What a little cute setup we have here. So these are the dinner looks. This was in my Princess Polly haul. I'll leave it down below. Top is, I think, Forever 21.
I don't know what Cierra is.
It's here, it's fine. Pants.
Zara.
Zara. Princess
Zara.
Polly. Oh, I gotta get rid of my Apple Watch. But we're headed down to dinner now. And
I couldn't be better.
we'll vlog the dinner.
Yep.
I'm living for the fireplace. And all the decor in here. Oh my god! It's so pretty. There's the pool. It's kind of bad lighting, but you guys get the chance. So this is the pool area. It's a bit windy, but we are absolutely snagging one of those cabanas tomorrow morning. Those will be perfect for us to work. Here's the hotel. It's a bit windy over here in the Bahamas. It's a bit windy in the Bahamas tonight.
They seem to think that we're like in the Bahamas.
Yeah, like
So we came down and stopping when here. It's windy. Okay, and we're rolling.
Hey guys, so it's a bit breezy here tonight in the Bahamas. They don't call it Bahama breeze, I think. So I was just a bit chilly, so I got my shawl, sweatpants, and my pajamas to go around dress. So what are you guys thinking? Do you think this is going to be the new fashion trend for 2022? Did I just start something here?
Like, look at the pockets of shoulder pads. It's kind of
absolutely put some your lipstick in there.
yeah, camp.
You know, we're on island time here, so we think the breeze is gonna pass it pretty quickly.
Did you show them the menu?
I have not showed them the menu or my drink.
Oh, this is Cierra's drink. I just ordered the same.
Passion fruit bar.
What do you think? I'm sorry for my shaky hands, you guys.
Delicious.
Yay!
Oh my god.
Yeah, I know.
I love that.
I got the same thing. I'm really like, what do I want for dinner, you guys?
You know we're getting the dessert.
Tuna tacos. Banana split.
Lickety split.
Wait, the banana split? Can't.
We can each get a dessert.
Yes. Mexican street corn.
Oh, done. There's so many, like, I'm so hungry, I want everything.
I'm so hungry and this is all my favorite foods.
I know. Alright, so we just got our appetizers. We got Mexican street corn, this beautiful Mediterranean Greek platter. It's like some of my favorite foods. And tuna tacos. So we ordered sliders and a salad for our like entree, but this honestly might fill us. So we got an heirloom watermelon quinoa salad with grilled shrimp. And just your classic slider.
Just a Krabby Patty.
Ooh. It's got a bit chillier. So it's gotten a bit chillier here. This is how I've been eating my food.
That's actually nasty.
Just got out of the pool.
Mom wrapped us in towels. Sure, get an Instagram with your towel wrapped around you. It's actually really good lighting.
Here's the pool at sunset. I'm trying to focus. It's hard to see, wait. But it's like really pretty over there, but the camera's not focusing on the colors. Here's the pool. Good vibes. Julie and her towel. You guys, Julia's banana split, my brownie sundae thing.
I'm scared.
I'm scared.
The brownie sundae, by the way, insane.
And margaritas. First bites.
My God, you guys.
Do you like those cherries? Love. 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
Do you like the cherry? Pool at night, and it's actually really hot. She went shoe in. She went shoe in. She put her shoe in. She's sick. Oh my god. So I just got back from dinner and I realized I just moved a ton of this stuff. And this was on the bottom. We got Zesty Ranch veggie straws, sea salt, Kin Organics, which we're gonna have this one tonight. Sweet and Salty Deluxe Chex Mix, or no, not Chex Mix, Trail Mix. Mango, we love dried mango. But yeah, we're gonna taste test this and let you know how it is. Good morning, guys. I got an everything bagel that looks insane because obviously we're in New York. The best bagels, and Jersey, don't get me wrong. Matcha, pool life, and a little cabana. Love. So we're just chilling by the pool. We just checked out. We got the workaholic over here. And I'm just chilling. Trying out tin drink. Got a cup of ice. Let's try it out. Just ordered some lunch by the pool. Got the same salad I did last night with the tomato and watermelon and quinoa. It's so good. Still such a nice sunny day. I'm gonna eat this. I'm also doing some work and probably gonna leave around 6:30. Julia got chicken club, fries. And a pickle. Dallas. So we're taking the ferry home. We're idiots and should have taken it here because it's only $2 compared to the $100 Uber we took here. But the city's right there.
And we spent all of our good habit money.
Yeah, we spent all of our budget on the ride here. So that's why we're doing the $2 ride home, which is a smarter option. But wait, that's a really pretty view. So we're taking this there.